3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects by layering material one thin layer at a time. This is in contrast to traditional subtractive manufacturing, where material is removed to create the final object. Here's a general overview of how 3D printing works. 1. Design the 3D model. The process begins with creating a 3D digital model of the object you want to print. This model can be designed from scratch using computer-aided design, CAD, software, or obtained from a pre-existing 3D model available in various online repositories. 2. Slicing the model. The 3D model is sliced into a series of extremely thin horizontal cross-sections or layers using slicing software. Each layer is typically a fraction of a millimeter thick. The slicing software generates a set of instructions, G-code, that guide the 3D printer on how to build each layer. 3. 3D printing process. The 3D printer uses these instructions to build the object layer by layer. The specific method and materials used can vary depending on the type of 3D printer, but the common technologies include 4. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, or fused filament fabrication, FFF. This is one of the most common 3D printing methods. It involves heating and extruding a thermoplastic filament, such as PLA or ABS, which is deposited layer by layer to create the object. 5. Stereolithography, SLA. SLA printers use a liquid resin that is cured layer by layer using an ultraviolet, UV, laser or light source. The object is built from the bottom up, with each layer solidifying as it is exposed to the UV light. 6. Selective laser sintering, SLS. In SLS, a laser fuses together small particles of powder, often nylon or other materials, to create the object layer by layer. 7. Digital light processing, DLP. Similar to SLA, DLP uses a light source to cure liquid resin, but it cures entire layers at once, which can speed up the printing process. 8. Cooling and solidifying. As each layer of material is deposited, it cools and solidifies. This process varies based on the specific technology used. 9. Support structures, if necessary, depending on the object's geometry. Support structures may be automatically generated or manually added to ensure stability during printing. These supports are typically removed after printing. 10. Finishing. After the printing process is complete, additional post-processing steps such as sanding, painting, or assembly may be required to achieve the desired appearance and functionality of the object. 3D printing is a versatile technology used in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, aerospace, automotive, and more. It allows for rapid prototyping, custom manufacturing, and the creation of complex and intricate objects that may be challenging or impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.